Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our channel Smart Collections Plus. Dive into a world of timeless elegance with our collection of stunning gold jewelry design. From intricately crafted necklace to delicate details, earrings, each piece exudes sophistication and charm. Discover the perfect accessory to elevate any outfit and make a statement wherever you go. Whether you are drawn into classic designs or crave something unique and contemporary, our collections of gold jewelry inspiration has something for every taste and occasion. Let those exquisite designs inspire you next jewelry acquisition and add a touch of luxury to your ensemble. Explore the allure of gold with us today. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me, so drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.